You're just living life when boom, life hits. Your phone rings and your heart drops. Urgent hospital visit, broken device. It's overwhelming. What do you do? Most people panic, some borrow, many go broke. But there's one simple move that can protect you from stress and shame. Emergency savings. In this video, I'll show you what it is, how much you need, and the exact steps to start, even if you're broke. Plus, I'll share 2 free apps to lock your savings where temptation can't reach it. Emergency savings is money you set aside strictly for unexpected challenges, not for birthdays, not for vacations, not for spontaneous adventures, just for real-life issues like job loss, medical emergencies, car repairs, or rent troubles. It's your personal safety net when life throws you a curveball. And remember, you don't need to be wealthy to start saving. Here's how to calculate your emergency savings goal. Step 1. List your monthly essentials. For example, rent, 40,000 naira. Food, 20,000 naira. Transport, 10,000 naira. Electricity and data, 10,000 naira. That's 80,000 naira. A month. Step 2. Multiply by 3 or 6 months. 80,000 naira times 3 equals 240,000 naira minimum. 80,000 naira times 6 equals 400. And 80,000 naira. This is more ideal. It sounds like a lot, but you don't need to save it all at once. Start small. Consistency is key. My first story. The reality of job loss. Victor had a stable job in Abuja, but then came the day he never expected. Retrenchment. No warning, no severance, and 0 savings to fall back on. With rent due in just 2 weeks, he found himself crashing at friends' places and borrowing money just to get by. Meanwhile, his colleague Grace had a different story. She was smart with her finances, saving 100,000 naira every month using Cowrywise, a digital app that locks your money away for a set time. With over 250,000 naira saved, Grace stayed calm. She paid her rent on time and took her time to find a new job. Same office, but their paths diverged. One was lost, while the other was prepared. Second story, the hospital bill twist. Tunde's younger brother had a bike accident. 150,000 naira needed urgently. Tunde had just bought sneakers. His account? Empty. He turned to loan apps, but that only deepened his debt. Meanwhile, Sandra was smart, using Opay Safebox to save a little every day. She had 100,000 naira locked away. No begging, no pressure. Her emergency savings gave her peace of mind. The moral? Small savings can protect you from big disasters. Ready to start your emergency savings? Here's how. First, calculate your monthly basic expenses. It's essential to know what you need. Next, choose an app to help you save. Cowrywise lets you create fixed savings plans you can't touch until the end date. Great for discipline. Opay Safebox is perfect for micro savings. Set it to automatically save a small amount daily or weekly, and you won't even notice it. Now, automate your savings. Treat it like a bill you have to pay. Build your savings slowly. Even saving a little is a win. And remember, don't touch it unless it's a real emergency. No exceptions. You might be wondering, how can I save when I only earn 50,000 naira a month? Let's break it down with 2 examples. First, we have Emmanuel, earning 50,000 naira monthly. His expenses? 15,000 for rent, 20,000 for food and transport, and 10,000 for bills. That leaves him with 5,000 naira to save. He decides to save just 1,000 naira each month in his Opay Safebox. In a year, that adds up to 24,000 naira, enough to give him options during emergencies. Now, let's look at Cynthia, who earns 100,000 naira a month. Her expenses are 70,000 naira, leaving her with 30,000 naira. She saves 10,000 naira monthly in Cowrywise fixed savings, untouched for 6 months. In half a year, she has 60,000 naira saved up, safe and secure. The takeaway? Even small, consistent savings can provide a safety net. Emergencies don't care about your paycheck. They don't wait for the right moment to strike. But with emergency savings, you can create a safety net. With tools like Cowrywise and Opay Safebox, your money is secure, even from your own impulses. Start today. Just 500 naira can make a difference. The sooner you begin, the more prepared you'll be. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical money tips, and share it with someone who says, "I can't save." Because the truth is, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how you prepare for the unexpected. Thanks for watching.